Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the May-June Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life is geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers, but it also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it's a great add-on to get more pattern paper and embellishments for that kit. It's also great for mini albums or traveler's notebooks and even traditional scrapbooking. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in this Shots of Life kit. So the first collection that you're going to get is the Crepe Paper Gingham Garden, and you're going to get the cut apart sheet. This paper is called Be Kind. So you're getting tags, and then you're getting some square as different sizes. So you got 2x2s over here. So that's a lot of fun to kind of mix it up. You also get a full 12x12 pattern on the back, which is this light blue kind of ticking design. You're going to get the sticker sheet. So these will vary, but this is the one that I got. These are the thin kind of transparent stickers that are a lot of fun. If you don't want them transparent, you can put them on white cardstock and then fussy cut around them, and then you'll have more like a cardstock sticker if that's what you prefer. But I love these like this. So many cute designs and gorgeous colors in that collection. The next collection is Echo Park. And this is Let's Go Travel. So you're getting the 3x4 cut apart sheet. Well, let me get in frame here. Love this. The bucket list. Take time to travel always. Collect moments, not things. Take all the pictures so you can treasure all the memories. So even though some of them say travel, there's also a lot that you could do other memories with and not just going somewhere. The back is a black and gray plaid. So super cute. Then you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets from the sticker book. So these will vary as well. I got the alphabet that kind of looks like the destination board at the airport and stuff. Tells you what time your flight's going to be in. And then this one that has icons and then travel. Again, there are things that you can do that's not just travel. Collect moments, not things. Does not have to be travel related. So that is Echo Park Let's Go Travel. And then from Simple Stories My Story, you're going to get the 3x4 cut apart sheet. I love these. They always have great designs that could be fussy cut for embellishments. So this is a really great collection. The back is a little daisy print on green. And then you're going to get some of the chipboard stickers. So super cute. So those embellishments will vary as well. From the Fancy Pants Honeybee collection, you're going to get 6 sheets of the 6x8 paper. So that's a lot of fun. You can cut those down for 3x4s or 4x6s, or you can use them on traditional, or like I said, the traveler's notebooks. So we have this gorgeous floral on the gray. It has a honeycomb print. Love this. It's kind of like an advertisement pattern with the honeycomb. And the back is a two-toned floral print. Honeybees on that mauve pink, black and white stripe, gorgeous, kind of abstract floral, and the back is honeybees on pink. Another floral print, beautiful wood grain, floral bouquets on the pink, and then pink honeybees on the gray. So I just love the colors in this collection and the designs. So that's that. And then you're going to get half of the 12x12 sticker sheet. So again, these will vary. I'm trying to get it where it doesn't glare. But you'll get this half or the other half. Love the designs in that. Then from Pretty Little Studio, Sunkissed, you're going to get some of the journal cards. So these are the ones that I got. I like these because like these two, they could go either direction. So vertical or horizontal. Love the designs. Gorgeous floral journaling, and then the little scalloped, they are blank on the back. And then you're going to get some of the clear stickers. So these are stitchings, and I love the stickers like this. You don't have to go to the trouble of actually stitching on something, but you get that great effect. And then from the collection, the Fancy Pants Unique Collection, again, you're going to get some of the 6x8 paper. So there's 6 sheets of that. Gorgeous kind of periwinkle and pinks, florals, birds and bird cages on the back. A light floral, and then tone on tone floral print. Love this one's kind of got that ombre look. Oh, peacocks on the back. Roses, geometric, polka dot in the blue, more florals, peacock feathers, and then a text. Some gorgeous, gorgeous papers. Then you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are going to vary. I love these little cards here. So you could put those onto a 3x4 or 4x6. But I just love the little sayings in this collection. Be you, do you, for you. No one is you, and that is your power. These gorgeous women. Shine bright. Be beautiful, darling. So lots of fun embellishments. I like that we have lots of collections this month to actually scrapbook about us. For Simple Stories, Our Story Matters, you're going to get the 4x6 cut apart. Love that. Photographic Memories, Believe in the Power of Telling Stories. And the back is a striped. And then you're going to get some of the puffy stickers, so these will vary. Love it. Another collection I love the colors and stuff in. And then our last one is Vicki Bouton's Where To Next. So you're going to get the 4x6 cut aparts on this one. Kind of like the postcards you can get from places. All the layering of the different journal ledgers and Time to Go on an Adventure. This one would be fun if you kind of fussy cut right in here with an X-Acto knife. And then you could tuck journaling or whatever in. Super cute. The back is a black grid, and then you're going to get one side of the 6x12 stickers, so these will vary. This one has all of the little houses, lots of word labels, and then titles, camera and maps. So that is a look at your May and June Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits. I'll have a link here for the flavors of the month if you're interested in more products with these collections. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team is creating. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.